Can you guys see rhythm in here anywhere? No? There's something called visual rhythm, which is kind of cool, and hopefully you guys will learn more about that today. And it's not just what you hear, but also what you see. So how does the activity that we just did show rhythm with Harry? Yeah. Yeah, and that was an example of the rhythm that you hear, right? Good. Anything else?
Silent one?
Silent rhythm. Good. And then that's the rhythm that you see, right? Because it's kind of like a pattern. Yeah. Awesome. Good job.
So we have a little poster here that will help maybe clarify exactly what visual rhythm is. You think of visual rhythm as a pattern. All right. Oh boy. So what are some different patterns that you know? There's some on the poster. If you need a little hint. Yeah. Shapes. Good. What else? Lines. Colors. What about, starts with T, how you feel things? Yeah? Texture, awesome. Great, yeah. So if you want to think about what visual rhythm is, we're going to think of visual rhythm is a pattern. Can everybody repeat that? Visual rhythm is a pattern. Awesome.
So we're going to put this over here, and you can look back at it in case you forget.
Yeah.
And now for our next little experiment, we're going to put an example, show you guys an example of what you'll be doing in a little bit. And so, we're going to take this painting right here.
We're all going to get into pairs, and you're going to pick a painting. So we can pick this painting.
Can you guys come back here so you can see?
So what we're going to do is we're going to look for visual rhythm in this painting. Where would we see that?
Maybe with all the dots, there's a lot of repetition patterns with dots.
And there's lots of different colors. And there's kind of a trail of color. So, you see some movement.
Right. There's also patterns of circles, so shapes, patterns.
So what we're going to do is we're going to try to put emotion with our bodies to this painting. So we'll give you an example of ours, and then you're going to get to make your own. So we talked about dots, we talked about circles, and we talked about moving forward in a line. So this is the motion we created, and it goes like this. Did you see that? What do you think this part was? Dots.
Yeah.
Dots?
And why was it dots?
Because you guys were moving really, your feet were really close together.
Okay, and how does that translate into the painting?
Because it's made out of dots,
So if you see it over and over again, what does that mean? It's
making a pattern.
yeah, it's making patterns repeating, right?
And then who got this part? EJ.
Circles all over.
Yeah.
And so we were doing a lot of them to show the pattern again and the repetition.
Of the circles.
Yeah.
So is that the only motion we could have made for this painting? No. So there's a lot. So you guys will get to be really creative in thinking of your own.
So yeah, if everyone can get a partner and go find a painting in this part of the building, like ever, just any painting that stands out to you.
That you really like. And you can find rhythm in all of the paintings in here.
So yeah, talk about it with your partner and come up with like a little movement or motion to show the rhythm you all see in the painting.
1, 2, 3, break.
Does anyone not have a partner?
Let's have you guys work together.
Hi.
Hey. Everybody else have partners? Okay, go find a painting.
All right.
Sounds good to me. Yeah, I think like a frog or a cat. What do you want to do?
No.
talk
So
about
what do y'all think?
visual
What
rhythm.
kind of things we can keep in this picture, like to make it
So
higher?
what makes us happy?
Yeah, they do all have dots. And even maybe if you notice, how
What else?
do they, the artists use maybe like brush strokes? Right? Or any rhythm in that?
How could you, okay, so you see, it's at circles, how could you make that movement with your bodies?
Alright, so